In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see actual sold price of an eBay desktop. If you want to find out what an item really sold for on eBay rather than just looking at asking prices, this is a very useful feature to know. It can help you compare values, check current market trends, and get a more realistic idea of what buyers have actually paid. To begin, open eBay in your desktop browser. Once you're on the home page, click into the main search bar and type in the keywords for the item you want to research. Try to be as specific as possible here, especially if the item has a brand name, model number, size, or condition that matters. The more accurate your search terms are, the more useful your results will be. After the search results load, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where eBay keeps a variety of filters to help narrow down your search. Scroll down through that menu until you find the section labeled Show Only. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a little further to see it clearly. Once you locate Show Only, check the box for sold items. As soon as you do that, eBay will automatically also check completed items for you. This is normal, and it helps make sure you're viewing listings that have already ended. After you select sold items, the page will reload automatically. When it finishes refreshing, you'll see the final sales from the last 90 days. These sold prices are typically highlighted in green, which makes them easy to spot as you scan the page. That's the key difference here. Instead of looking at what sellers hope to get, you're now seeing what buyers actually paid. This gives you a much clearer picture of real market value when buying, selling, or researching an item on eBay.